This is a presentation to the Roman Catholic Boys School here at Korle Gonno. They had a problem of water flowing. They were disconnected. I think 4 years ago we came and restored the water. So this year we decided to come back and see if they have any issue that we can support them. When we came back, we realized that that was the major problem they had. So we had to come back again and support clearing of the field.
It came to a time when school opened, we had to fetch water from outside to fill some containers for the children to use.
So we paid more than about 5,000 Ghana cedis to support the restoration of water to the Catholic boys, so that we help in a way provide them with water to help the sanitation in the school. We have a very big washroom here, a number of washrooms there, but they couldn't use it because of the flow of water that was cut off. So now the water is flowing and we are happy, the school is happy, the teaching body is happy, and we are also happy we have helped solve such a problem for the school here. We hope that going forward, God will help us to be able to do more to help the school around.
We are so grateful. In fact, when I tell people, they say, "Hey, why I lock you?" Say it is by the grace of God. So we are very grateful.